63rd Foundation Day of Hempu Lokimon religion celebrated across Karbi Anglong. "60 families join APHLC inside Mahamaya." Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Jerbon Kilingpi, bringing you the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Marking yet another year of the birth of the religion, the followers of Hempu Lokimon had on Friday celebrated the 63rd Lokimon Karchorani, or the day of the birth of the religion. Hempu Lokoningti, the founder of the Lokimon religion, on February 5th, 1959, for the first proclaimed the name of Lokimon. Since then, every year on this day, the followers of the religion celebrate the Lokimon Karchorani. Here are reports from our correspondents. At Tekelangjun, the followers of Hempu Lokimon celebrated the day at Tekelangjun Domchingrum Lokimon Adovan. It was celebrated amidst joy and happiness. In the morning, the old sacred flag of the religion hosted in the temple was replaced with a new one. This was done by the holy hands of the high priest or Kurupo Konsingrongha. Youths, children, and old persons gathered in the event, then sang praises of their God. At noon, a holy yagya was performed to seek blessings from the Lord. Tekelangjun Domchingrum Lokimon Adovan President Birsing Lekte and Secretary Sondip Ingti spoke on why the day is honored and celebrated every year. The annual celebration, which began on February 4, will wind up on February 7.
Ini nilitum ingdeng trokebra kithom Lokimon Karchu ingkana sek pialong nilitum Kero Karchu pinia bangke lusiniglo asi padap ada prang nilitum baji troksi aporpen lama dorama lama nilitum seliglo lasi laso seledet pen nilitum chikimo asai beinglo puthot nilitum chikimo asai dengdet pen api ladak dowana long jirsir kep al nilitum buruar chu erlo labang suafi puthor ladak la sawai kanglong la jaime gateng pen si chimit me pin pen dak risu ejang sarmar sartimar doan sitame pini lusuni kero karchu angthun la saw akambang si pini ke klemponik po asi tenap Nifai trok abangke nilitum jaime gateng pulote adap baji trok aporpen ke minu mekan keceron lapen ankrimi keceron laswa philo pulote nilitum dihin ko ansi khorotma ke dam ke pawang laswa hisab nilitum chi hisab iko lasen uthot laswa philo pulote nilitum Dharma mai masapso nilitum seke chipi doji
nilitum pini labangso arni ke the mate arni ke me arni kang theran nilitum ke hok pona pen karchu kotaron pon la kala sono nilitum akurusa dhrom nanglan pivek akurusa lokhoning kian sek alangli arta ningkhan pehini ahut bihek arta hot pen si labangso afu tar ki bulong ameyang no rama jothoni thoma meyang lo lapen jothoni thoma meyang det pen puthot adap ame ke prang hut abangke alangli Lokimon pupatai thoma men taram pensi apu panje thano lasi pini bangke mane Lokimon aphansi ro achunangko pusi thano lapen hola sorni pen ningkan pharuke sirkebra phokebra sirkep pen pini penenga ningkan an bangke ningkan chokebra ke thoman angdeng ke choklo karchu.
Meanwhile, the celebration took place in several places under Bukajan subdivision. The Lokimon Adovan at Chapra Langso second ashram, Khatkhati, Hidipi Moiso Kiling, Balipothar, Diopani and first ashram at Dolamara began the celebration from Thursday night with yagyas and kirtans. Throughout the day on Friday, the devotees of Hempu Lokimon sang in his praises and prayers. The Khatkhati Lokimon Ashram Sangha had also organized a cars and bike rally from Khatkhati to Lahorijan Bajar. Samsing Ingti from Dongmukak and Anand Terang from Bukajan, Karbi Anglong Live. In a moral boost for the regional party of the Hills District, a total of 60 families marched with the All-Party Hills Leaders Conference under the Mahamaya MAC constituency on Friday. The 60 families of Jengronghan village, who are supporters of other political parties, were formally inducted into the party fold at its meeting held at Jengronghan LP School. The new families were given a warm welcome at the meeting organized by Mahamaya Constituency Committee and presided over by its President Mongol Singh Teron. APHLC President J.I. Qatar, General Secretary Sarkiri Rongpar, Publicity Secretary Kursing Timung, Spokesperson Angtong Inti Qatar, Hauraghat LA President Suren Kramsa, and General Secretary Robi Singh Ronghang were also present at the program. Informing this, the party members told Karbianglong Live that the 60 families who joined the growing APHLC party said that they are completely disappointed with their former party and that they were encouraged with the works and issues undertaken by APHLC in the interest and security of the indigenous tribes of the Hill districts. While speaking at the meeting, the APHLC leaders highlighted the burning issues and the threats the indigenous tribal people are facing with regard to their land, territory, resource, traditional institutions, and the sixth schedule, among others. And the leaders also urged upon the people to support them by voting them in the upcoming MLA election in the greater interest of all indigenous tribes of the twin hill districts of Karbianglong. Later after the meeting, APHLC President J.I. Qatar informed the media that an FIR has been filed against those responsible for the food poisoning case related to Deephu Medical College and Hospital lunch packets distributed to the public who attended the inauguration of the first academic session of MBBS students on February 2.
Jengronghan arong PS polling station along BJP pen Congress pen dak nang ke join dun mass joining program don trokep amunit pini APHLC long nang join dun lo la so penajok si pini meeting ke do na pen 6 schedule alam ke than la pen itu nge peri alam la pen pini itum theklong lo arni sihat bang BJP atum munitum phan okopechu pomat an apechu pomat ha gohati pen wan lo ange munitum kecu penajok bemar long kray lo la pen kitita dolo la si nilitum FIR la abinong ke CM la pen EM medical department IEM la pen CM si FIR ki pinangi police phan ka report dam nang ji seta alang litum pihai hedet lo ki pihai he ke mathame melo alang litum amunit tum haladak dodun kok bon la bangsu bikar ki pialong puson matha thu memelo ilitum ke la masi ilitum non nilitum APHLC atum si FIR police phan pidam det lo pini na hello pini alam bang
ke claim ke dam khai la pen long ri aphan chiteng ni pu ta se pini a hok pet ing thir et pen ke claim pon ke Karbianglong long political party mate a hok pet ing thir et pen ke japon a ke hai jai kathar mate APHLC a party long se rat along chitu du nang pu non la so ang thek pini pen klang por lo la se dag ni likeneng ji pon kang tu bang ke Dak Mahamaya constituency.
Samsing in this report, Dongmukak, Karbianglong Live. In yet another commendable work carried out by the Forest Department, forest officials recovered a set of chainsaws used in felling trees and wood, and a gun from the Pangcherop County area under number 25 Nilip constituency. Here is a report from our correspondent. On Thursday noon, when Northeastern Silunijan Range Office Assistant Conservator Forest Pronop Teron along with other officials was on the search for timber smugglers, they recovered the machinery and an improvised gun from Koani Pangcherop area. The search operation was carried out after some information about the illegal felling of trees alerted the forest officials. However, the smugglers escaped from the scene before the forest officials could reach the spot.
Let's see. Ini nalitum la media trolling ili pacini kuangke joy pen la Pangcherop la pen la so area adurai adir dingtui pen nilitum department long alam nang le la tat mane osono thengpi hai hui ke plaku alam arjulong si nilitum tini nilimkhang jongjung la pen staff la pen homeguard tum Cijalin pun si militum ada kurudam lo. Kurudam pen militum isi helebong lapen misinso hini long iklo. Jadi isi pacini pembangke alang itu la tempi kepla kuno lahai hui tumpen je lahai hui ahili pen cisong pen tempi kepla kai hui pen isi peri mimi alam iklo.
Around 30 kb of timber was also seized during the operation. All the seized materials were brought to the DFO's office. Northeastern Silonijan Range ACF Pranab Teron had requested the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to immediately providing a patrolling vehicle for easy and quick transportation of personnel. He also urged for an increase in the numbers of forest guards employed in the range. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati, Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest road mishap reported from D-Line, at least one person was injured when an auto tempo collided with a car on Friday morning at around 7 a.m. The incident happened at 0 point under D-Line police station. The incident took place when the auto tempo was heading towards Hidipi from D-Line market to carry passengers, collided with a car coming from the opposite direction. The car with registration plate NL 07C4428 was heading for Hojai from Dimapur. Of the two vehicles, the tempo had suffered the more severe damage. The driver, identified as Sarpinpo Katar of Kido Teron village in Hidipi, had received injuries on the head. He was rushed to Dilai State Dispensary where he was provided emergency treatment. Meanwhile, according to eyewitnesses, overspeeding of the car was the cause of the accident. With a saffron flag tied on its bonnet, it is likely that the people in the car were on a religious journey. The matter has now been taken up by the Dilai police, and they had assured that the person found guilty will be treated as per law. It may be mentioned that the condition of the roads around these areas has improved considerably, and many drivers have been seen riding at great speed and too tempting for youngsters. As such, road accidents should be taken as a wake-up call for all. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.